Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which helps us in finding the deepest left leaf node in a binary tree. First, let us take an example. In this binary tree, the deepest left leaf node is the node with value 10. Now, let us see the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node, which is 1, to function getDeepestLeaf node. So, root will point to 1. Note that we will be using a queue data structure. We push the root node, which is 1, into the queue and take a result variable which points to null. As the queue is not null, we enter the while loop. Now, temp will point to the front element of the queue, which is 1. Next, we pop 1 from the queue. Now we check if 1 has a left child. As it is true, we enqueue 2, which is the left child of 1, into the queue. Next, we check if temp has a right child. As 1's right child is 3, we push 3 into the queue. Next, we check if temp's left and temp's left is null. 1's left is not null and 1's left's right is null. So, the if condition is not satisfied and result is null. We continue with the while loop as the queue is not empty. Now, temp will point to 2 and 2 will be dequeued. As 2's left is 10, 10 is enqueued. Now, as 2's left is null and 2's left's right is also null, we set result to 2's left. So, result will point to 10. As 2's right is null, nothing is enqueued and we continue with the while loop. So, temp will point to 3 and 3 will be dequeued. As 3 is a leaf node, nothing is enqueued and we continue with the while loop. Now, temp will point to 10 and 10 will be dequeued. Again, as 10 is a leaf node, nothing is enqueued and now, as the queue is empty, we come out of the while loop and return 10, which is the deepest left leaf node in this binary tree. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.